Hi and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. We are looking at Dax, our German 30 index, in daily, 4-hourly, hourly and 15-minute time frame. All of the time frames are pointing to a consolidation. Daily is obviously supported by 97 area, 9,700. Loss of that area could potentially open up the way for the retest of 9,600, 9,573. Obviously, we are capped by the current highs at 9,800, 9,930, which will correspond to the sequence of these lower highs. 4-hourly, it's pointing to roughly the same area, fairly significant resistance around 9,800, 9,850, followed by 9,930. An hourly time frame is obviously we have a sequence of slightly higher lows, but then we also have the sequence of these lower highs, which is obviously pointing to this consolidation. So 20 period moving average is at 97.51, 50 is at 97.68, but above us, apart from these two highs, we have 9,850 again. A 15-minute time frame is obviously the clearer out of all of the four time frames, with a sequence of higher lows and sequence of lower highs, and we are currently sitting very closely to this 200 period moving average at 97.68. So let's go into our charts. In its basic way, a point of control or a fairly important level for Monday, 5th of January is at 97.80, 97.85 area. The premise for Monday's trading is a rally into that area, and then if we get a rejection at that zone, which is our 200 period moving average on in the 15-minute time frame, then obviously logical areas of support on the downside would be at 97.40, followed by 9,700, followed by 9,667. Only a confirmed loss in maybe an hourly or 4-hourly time frame below 96.67 could potentially open up the way for the retest of 9,600, purely because it's a nice and round number. The other alternative is sell off into one of these areas and then initial rally, or maybe a rally into this 9,780, 9,785, and a confirmed breakout higher could potentially target 98.20 as a logical upside resistance. Only a breakout higher could potentially target 98.43, followed by 98.78, 98.80. Only a breakout above 98.80 could potentially open up the way for the retest of previous highs towards 99.30. This is pointing to consolidation, but the overall trend is still bullish above 9,600.